Welcome to Learn English with Maria. I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this episode, we're going to practice real English sentences you can use while cooking at home. Let me ask you, do you find yourself lost for words when you're in the kitchen and trying to explain something in English? Do you want to speak English naturally while cooking, asking someone for help, or just describing what you're doing? Well, this episode is exactly for you. We're going to go through tons of helpful, simple, and clear English sentences that are perfect for your cooking routine. So whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you'll be ready to speak confidently. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and just imagine we are both in the kitchen, cooking something together, and speaking English naturally. You don't need to memorize everything. Just listen, understand, and speak with me. Let's get started. Starting to cook. I'm going to cook something today. What should I make for lunch? Let me check what's in the fridge. We have some vegetables and rice. I think I'll make vegetable fried rice. First, I need to wash my hands. Let's clean the kitchen counter. I'll take out everything I need. I need a chopping board and a knife. Let me chop some onions and garlic. Be careful while cutting. The onion is making my eyes water. I'm going to cut the carrots and capsicum now. Let's heat the pan. I'll add a little oil. The oil is hot now. Let me add the onions first. Now I'm adding the garlic. It smells so good. Let's stir it for a few minutes. I'm going to add the vegetables now. Let's cook them for a while. Now I'll add some salt and spices. Do you like spicy food? Let's keep it medium spicy today. Now I'm adding the cooked rice. Let's mix everything well. I think it's ready. Let me taste a little. This tastes really good. I'll turn off the stove now. Let's serve the food. While cooking with someone, can you pass me the spoon? Do you want to help me cook? Please chop the tomatoes. Can you peel the potatoes? Stir this gently, please. Don't let it burn. Add a little water. Can you taste this and tell me? Does it need more salt? Let's make the chapati dough together. Can you knead the dough? Roll the chapati slowly. I'll cook it on the pan. Flip it when it puffs up. Let's cook together more often. While preparing for cooking, I need to soak the rice first. Let me marinate the chicken. I'll boil the eggs for breakfast. Do we have enough oil? We need to buy some more onions. Can you get the masala from the shelf? Let me check if the gas is on. I'm going to preheat the oven. The recipe says to bake for 20 minutes. Let's follow the recipe step by step. Do we have all the ingredients? I forgot to buy ginger. Let's manage without it. After cooking. That smells amazing. Let's clean the kitchen now. I'll wash the dishes. Can you wipe the counter? Don't forget to turn off the gas. Let's put everything back in place. The kitchen looks clean again. Cooking was fun today. Let's do it again tomorrow. Useful vocabulary for cooking. Fry, to cook in oil. Boil, to cook in water. Steam, to cook using steam. Chop, to cut into small pieces. Slice, to cut into thin pieces. Mix, to combine everything together. Stir, to move food around while cooking. Grate, to shred into small pieces. Peel, to remove the skin. Add, to put something in. Heat, to make warm or hot. Burn, to overcook something. Simmer, to cook slowly. Bake, to cook in an oven. Now we'll move into different types of meals and situations that happen around food prep, like making breakfast, cooking for guests, and even when things go wrong in the kitchen. Making breakfast. I usually make breakfast early in the morning. Today, I'm going to make eggs and toast. Let me put the bread in the toaster. I'll fry 2 eggs in a pan. Do you want scrambled eggs or boiled eggs? I like my eggs sunny side up. Add a little salt and pepper. Let's make some tea or coffee too. Do you take sugar in your tea? Your breakfast is ready. Let's sit down and eat together. Would you like some juice? This toast is nice and crispy. Don't forget to drink water. Let's clean up after eating. Cooking for guests. We have guests coming over today. I want to cook something special. Let's make biryani and salad. We need to plan the menu first. I'll make the main dish, and you can help with snacks. Do we have enough plates and glasses? Let's set the table nicely. We should start cooking early. I want everything to be ready before they arrive. Let's keep the kitchen clean while we cook. We can serve tea when they come. I hope they like the food. Cooking for others makes me happy. Don't forget to make dessert. Let's taste everything before serving. When something goes wrong in the kitchen. Oh no, the food is burning. I forgot to stir it. Turn off the gas quickly. Let's open the window. There's too much smoke. It's okay, we can fix it. Let's try to make it again. The salt is too much this time. Next time, I will be more careful. Don't worry, it happens. The milk has boiled over. The dough is too sticky. We need to clean the stove now. It's all part of cooking. Mistakes happen. Let's laugh and learn from it. Talking to kids while cooking. Do you want to help mommy or daddy in the kitchen? Wash your hands first. Be careful, the stove is hot. Can you pass me the spoon? Help me stir this slowly. Let's make cookies together. Would you like to roll the dough? Good job! You're a great helper. Now, let's clean up together. You did amazing! When you're in a hurry while cooking. I need to cook something quickly today. Let's make something fast and easy. I don't have much time right now. Let me boil some eggs. I'll just make instant noodles. This won't take more than 10 minutes. I'll toast some bread and make tea. Let's keep it simple today. I'll cut some fruits and make a salad. Sometimes quick meals are the best. I'll clean the kitchen later. First, let's eat something. Talking while cleaning up after cooking. Let's wash the dishes now. Can you help me dry them? The sink is full of plates. Let's clean it one by one. I'll wash, you rinse. Be careful with the glass. Let's wipe the counter. There's oil on the stove. Let's clean the floor too. The kitchen looks clean again. It feels good when everything is done. Thanks for helping me out. Cooking and cleaning is teamwork. Now we can relax. Planning meals together. What should we cook tomorrow? Let's plan the meals for the week. Do you want something light or heavy? Should we cook something new? Let's try a different recipe. Do you feel like eating rice or bread? We haven't had pasta in a while. Let's cook that on Friday. We'll need to buy a few things. Let's make a shopping list. When talking about taste or food quality, this turned out really good. It's a little too salty. Next time, I'll add less salt. The spices are perfect today. This is a bit undercooked. Let's cook it for 5 more minutes. It smells amazing. It looks delicious. I love how soft this is. This tastes better than last time. I'll definitely make this again. Do you want the recipe? Let's write it down so we don't forget. When talking about leftovers, we have some food left from yesterday. Let's reheat the curry. The rice is still fresh. Don't waste food. We can eat it again. Let's store the leftovers properly. Put them in a container. We'll eat this for lunch tomorrow. Leftovers save time and effort. I'm glad we didn't throw it away. Let's finish it today. When cooking during a festival or special day, it's a special day today. Let's cook something festive. I want to make sweets. Let's cook together as a family. This dish reminds me of childhood. We make this every year. Let's take some photos too. I'll serve everyone. Let's enjoy this moment together. Cooking is love made visible.
All right, let's continue with more helpful and natural English you can use around the kitchen and dining table, especially during casual family meals, inviting someone to eat, or chatting while enjoying food. These are all real-life sentences that make your English sound more relaxed, warm, and native-like. Inviting someone to eat. Lunch is ready. Come and eat. Wash your hands before eating. Let's eat together. I've made your favorite dish today. Everything is on the table. Take whatever you like. Would you like some more rice? Try this. It came out really well. Don't be shy. Eat well. I hope you're hungry. It's nice to have you here. Let's sit and enjoy the food. At the dining table. This looks delicious. Let's eat before it gets cold. Can you pass me the spoon? I'll pour the water. Do you want more curry? This is really tasty. I think it needs a little more salt. Try this with some bread. It's perfect. I like how soft the rice is today. Let's have dessert after this. What should we cook tomorrow? Don't rush. Eat slowly. This is a peaceful meal. We should do this more often. Thanks for cooking today. Talking after a meal. That was a great meal. I'm full now. Let's take a short break. I'll help you clean up. Thanks for the lovely food. Let's have some tea later. It feels nice to sit and eat together. You always cook with love. Let's pack the leftovers. We can use them tomorrow. Encouraging someone who is learning to cook. Don't worry, you're doing great. Everyone starts as a beginner. This is how I learned too. Cooking takes patience. Your food is improving every day. It's okay to make mistakes. The taste will get better with practice. You just need a little confidence. Keep trying, you'll get there. You're better than you think. When hosting someone at home. Welcome, please come in. Would you like something to eat? I've made tea and snacks. Feel at home. Let me know if you need anything. I hope you like the food. Let's sit together and eat. Thanks for coming. You should come more often. It was lovely having you here. Talking about cooking experience. I learned this from my mom. This recipe is special to me. I like cooking when I have time. Sometimes I just cook to relax. It feels good to try new recipes. Not everything turns out perfect, but cooking is always a joy. I enjoy cooking for people I love. Sometimes I just make simple things. Cooking brings people together.
All right, let's start wrapping it up gently, just like we would after a calm, satisfying meal. Cooking is such a beautiful part of daily life. It's not just about food. It's about care, comfort, memories, and connection. And when you bring English into your kitchen, you make your practice feel natural and alive. Speaking English while cooking or eating is one of the best ways to build confidence. You don't need fancy words. You just need the words that match your everyday life. And that's what we practice today. I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me. If this episode helped you, do keep practicing these sentences as you go through your day while making tea, chopping vegetables, or sitting down to eat. The more you speak, the easier it gets. And remember, I'm always here with you in every moment of your English learning journey. You're not just learning English, you're living it. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and happy cooking.